All right, okay. Louis Borsellino was right, and Goldman Sachs was right. And here we are at $45 crude, and it is still flushing. What is interesting to me is the low of the year is on this yearly VWAP deviation line. So we might as well call 42.50 as where this price is heading to. Um, I'll probably expect a bounce back up to 47.50, back up to this deviation level. But we're definitely coming down to 42. Don't know if it'll get down to this bottom 37. I kind of doubt it. We'll probably get some big rejection here at 42.50, sending it back up. So we'll just have to trade it, see how fast it takes us to get down to 42.50. Today, we came out of the Globex and at the open rallied up 20 cents to hit the Globex point of control and VWAP for the Globex session, and then sold off for a nice rally. I was able to pick up some money here. I initially was trying to sell this and got in too soon and did not wait for my signals. So I got some bad stop outs here by jumping the gun, and there's no reason for me to be so impatient. I've got to learn to just wait for the signals and then trade the price action once price has changed. We flushed the Globex stops, did a reversal, came back up, and I've got to tell you, I was expecting the market to go sideways very early at this point. I had to leave for work, my day job, so I left trading and left $1 on the table. Came back and I was just so disappointed I didn't get to sit here and trade that. I left for work and missed it. So I know that that was a great trading opportunity for everyone. These opportunities are few and far between when we get a nice $1.30 run in crude intraday in the RTH session. So I will try to catch my next opportunities and just call it an opportunity lost. We've got our VPOC at 45.98, and we also have our unfilled gap up here at 46.89 or close. So I'll be watching for that also. The direction guide was fabulous today. Here's the core. Kept you out when the price was obviously going against direction. A lot of traders were trading this up. I sat out, and then the time to get back in was here when it came back into the value. Did a little two-step here, but this was the trade of the day, entering back into value here. This second entry, re-entry. So you've got your cross, recross, enter, and it came all the way down. So we'll watch this come back to the point of control, 45.78, and possibly this naked VPOC up here at 45.98. I've got 45.78 and 45.98. So be watching for these levels to get re-hit in Globex, and just trade it tomorrow. Here were the inflections, very nice. If you have patience and wait for them, you notice that it gets you in on the right one. So I'm enjoying my indicator. Here was my signal here to get in. If I could just wait for my signals, I'll be much happier. This signal did not work out. The price did not flush. It turned back around on the Globex low, flushed the stops, and then came back into value. So this one also was not a winner. This was another stop out. So I had 2 stop outs, and all the rest of them through this run were winners. These were tired, overdone, so I would not have traded these anyway at this point. Well, I mean, I guess you can't say never, but the trade was very long in the tooth here. Crude gives you about $1.50 a day, and here it was within 1 hour of trading. I mean, who can beat that? So my momentum, my core momentum, if you just want the gut of the meat of the move right here. So very, very good trading with the market analyzer, excuse me, the direction guide. The market analyzer just stayed red all day. It turned green. Right here, the price has started coming up after the pit close. There's no more pit after the settlement close. That is a faux pas. There's no more pit. So keep an eye on your market analyzer. Trade those markets when they're trending weekly, daily, 60, 15 in the direction of the core, either the core on its own or the core with the filter on it, or just put your inflections up and catch some trades. That's the name of the game. Watch your levels and see if you can't get something that lines up like this did, an inflection on a point of control and a value area low. How about that? That was the money shot. I had to have taken that one if I had been here, but I was already on my way to the office. Well, that is just like crying over spilt milk. There's nothing I can do. I wasn't here to trade it. I hope y'all had a good one. See you tomorrow.